Okay, so you've successfully set up VLC to stream a multimedia file, and you can access the stream from any computer on your network. Good job. But now it's time to expand. You want to broadcast to the whole internet. How do you do this? Easy. So you've basically set up all of the streaming. That's done with. The problem now is enabling someone on the internet to connect through your router directly to your server so they can see the stream. Each one of the computers connected to your router has a different local IP, assigned by the router. These IPs usually start with 192.168. Then your router is connected to the internet, and your ISP, your internet service provider, gives your router one public IP. That public IP is used by your router to collectively represent every single computer on your network. So all you have to do is give that public IP to someone. They can just insert it into their VLC or whatever and watch a stream just like on your local network, right? Well, it's not quite that easy. You see, when, for example, John Doe tries to connect to your public IP, your router receives the connection request but doesn't know which computer to send the information to. This is where port forwarding comes in. Using port forwarding, we can tell the router, hey, any traffic from the interwebs that comes in asking about port 11343 is here to see my server. So send that traffic to my server. After that, anybody who connects to your public IP on port 11343 is automatically connected to your VLC server. Let's set this up. You'll need to find the model number on your router and Google the instructions for setting up port forwarding on it. It's different for every router. You need to forward your VLC server port. If you recall from the last video, I picked 11341 or 8080 for the Linux video, to your VLC server's IP. In the Windows video, it was 192.168.0.199. Remember? Great. Now you go to whatsmyip.com. Actually, you know what? I have to set up port forwarding. I thought I'd already done that. So I'm going to do that right now for my router. For me, I go to 0.1. I go to my router's webpage. I log in. Go to Advanced, Port Forwarding. And to change this video up, I'm actually going to forward new server 11345. So I'm going to forward that to my server computer. Save settings. And I have to reboot my router. So we have to wait for my router to reboot before we can go on the internet for the next step. You need to find out your public IP. You're going to go to whatsmyip.com, and I'm waiting for my internet to come back up. Okay, I'm going to go to whatsmyip.com. This is your public IP address. Excuse me. So you got to start now. You got to go start up your VLC server. So I'm gonna go start it up right here, just like in that last video. I'm gonna pick a longer video this time because I'm having problems streaming small videos. I'll pause it while okay, I got a nice long MOV file of a speech of a friend of mine. Anyways, I'm gonna stream that. Next, HTTP 11345 is what we just port forwarded, and I don't want transcoding on this, or maybe I do. And stream. Okay. So now that we set up our server, oops. There we go. Hold on a sec. Okay, so now we've set it up and it's streaming. Now you need to go somewhere outside your network, like a friend's house or the library. Yeah, go to the public library. Those things haven't been visited in a while. Go to your public library, open up VLC or whatever you're going to use to stream. Go to Media, Open Network Stream, and type in http:// followed by your public IP, followed by your port that you're streaming on your VLC. I used 11345 in this video. Now click on play, and your stream should work. if mine doesn't work, it's because I've yeah, I set my thing up wrong. Here, let me just fix that so I can show you that it worked. Okay, I think I fixed it. HTTP. Ah, there we go. And combine. Okay, got it working with the other video. I don't know, mine keeps bugging out on me, my VLC. I think it's because I have it installed on the hard drive that has like no space on it. But yeah, so we finally got it working. Streaming over the internet now. I can access that stream from any computer on the internet. But for the final step, we're going to give your stream a nice domain name, so you don't have to tell your stream viewers to type in hard to remember numbers every time, like 192.1 or like 69.62 or whatever. So you can set this up with anything like DynDNS or any other domain name provider, DNS provider. But I'm going to do it with co.cc because it just looks cool. So you're going to go to co.cc and you're going to register for a new account. I already have an account, but I'm just going to register a new one just to show you guys the process. Put the mic down. Okay, now we're going to continue. Alright, retype password. And stupid CAPTCHA. Okay, so now we're logged in. I'm going to pick a domain name like Cool Streams Are Us. Check availability. Is available. 1-year domain registration for $0. Continue to registration. Have to log in again. Okay, sign in. We received your request. Alright. So now you have to set up the domain, and it takes a couple days for the settings to like sink in. But when you set it up, you're going to click on setup, and then you want zone record, and then for the host you're going to type in your IP, your public IP. For us it was 69.62.51.37. Remember, this is on whatsmyip.com. Don't touch this. What? Oh wait, I'm sorry. Okay, in the host you type in coolstreamsrus.co.cc and then type A, and then for the value you type in your public IP, and then you click on setup. And there you go. So now you have to just wait for the settings to start working. I already had one set up from before, so I'm going to show you that one. The other one was for my Minecraft server that I actually had to make one of these. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to set up a stream in VLC. See if I can still use this stream. They're probably going to make me do another one because it's all bugged. Open this, media, open network stream, HTTP. Okay, play. Probably not going to work because mine's all buggy. I have to reset up the stream. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Yay, it works. Okay. So now we got our stream going. And I don't have to type in my IP all the time. I just type in broserve.co.cc, which is one I had set up before. Try it again. See if it's still bugging on me or if I can keep playing it over and over. Yeah, for mine there's a problem. Once I close the stream, I can't reopen it. I have to like set it up again from the beginning. If any VLC developers are watching this video, you should fix that bug. But yeah, it works. Just have to wait for this to fix in, and then I can access my stream with coolstreamsrus.co.cc, and then colon, and then the port. But yeah, this is how you set up your VLC server to stream over the internet. And if your ISP or internet service provider changes your public IP, it might do that if you like turn your router on and off. You have to go back into the co.cc and change that value also. Just letting you know. If you don't want to keep doing that manually, you can set up a dynamic DNS to your router to update a dynamic DNS server. It's dynamic DNS host, and if you want, I can make a tutorial for that if somebody requests it. But I'm pretty sure there's tutorials on how to set that up on the internet already. So thanks for watching, and this was part 2. Leave your comments below and message me if you still need any more help or if I didn't clarify something enough. Thanks.